When you first log into ResolveCX, the key thing to understand is how the platform is organized. In this video, we'll walk through the main areas so you always know where to go. Let's start from the left-hand menu. This is your command center. Dashboard shows assigned, in progress, resolved, and overdue cases, along with resolution time and recent activity. Managers use it to monitor risk. Agents use it to prioritize work. ResolveCX automatically creates customer profiles when someone contacts you through an integrated channel. These profiles hold conversation history, past cases, and context over time. This prevents agents from starting cold on every interaction. Audit logs record activity across the platform. Case updates, approvals, and configuration changes are captured here for traceability and compliance. Inbox is where daily CX work begins. Messages from connected channels arrive here, get unified into cases, and move through resolution. This is where agents collaborate, escalate, and close work. Workspaces represent large organizational boundaries like regions, departments, or clients. Inside them are workstreams, where operational teams run work. Each workstream has its own SLAs, routing rules, statuses, and templates, allowing complex operations to stay structured. When you open a workstream, this is where cases are managed day to day. This list shows every case in that stream, including title, assignee, customer, due date, status, priority, and the channel it came from. Teams use this view to prioritize work, spot risk early, and make sure nothing is stuck or overdue. It's the operational heartbeat of each workstream. Settings is where administrators configure the system. Connect channels and integrations. Set SLAs and auto-responses. Define routing logic. This is where the engines are tuned. Now you've seen how ResolveCX is structured and how the main areas fit together. This is the foundation for everything else, from setup to daily operations. ResolveCX, built to keep complex customer operations under control.